Welcome to my online class. My dear students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. Dear students, due to COVID-19, our school has been closed. So we are trying to continue the study by online class. In my previous class, we learned about transformation of sentence and sentence according to meaning. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence has two types. Number one, affirmative. Number two, negative. So, dear students, our today's lesson. Notice here. This house is very nice. This is a sentence, and it's a assertive sentence, right? And how nice the house is. How nice the house is. This is a exclamatory sentence. So, my dear students, our today's lesson is transformation of sentence assertive to exclamatory. Assertive to exclamatory. Dear students, assertive sentence and assertive sentences structure is subject plus verb plus extension and then full stop. For example, it's very lovely place, and exclamatory sentence, it's a structure what a or an oblique how plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb plus note of exclamation, that is note of exclamation. Please write down on your exercise book. For example, it's a very lovely place. It is a very lovely place. It is a very lovely place. This is a assertive sentence, and we have to change to exclamatory sentence. It subject is verb. Then we notice that after verb we notice that a very. If we notice a or an, we have to write hot a, and very will be closed. Hot a, then lovely place. Hot a lovely place it is. Hot a lovely place it is. This is a exclamatory sentence. Number two, it is a very interesting. It's a very interesting book. This is a assertive sentence. We have to change it to exclamatory sentence. It is subject and verb. A hot and interesting book it is. Notice here we wrote a and here we wrote n. What is the reason? Because lovely L is consonant, that's why we wrote a, and I is vowel sound, That's why we wrote N. Clear? It is a very beautiful bird. It's a very beautiful bird. What a beautiful bird it is. Mona Lisa was a great attractive picture. This is a sentence and assertive sentence, and in the world is extension of this sentence. Extension of this sentence. What an attractive picture! What an attractive picture Mona Lisa was. And then we write. Then we will write extension in the world. In the world. Clear? Here is a structure. Rule number 1. Please write down on your exercise book. Assertive sentence. If after if it has after verb article, it has an article after verb. After verb, we have to write hot a or hot n. Then adjective plus noun plus subject plus extension, and finally we have to write note of exclamation, and we have to escape very or great from this sentence. Clear? The scenery is very beautiful. Notice here, here a or n is absent, right? Before very, a or n is absent. If a or n is absent, then we will write how instead of what a or n. How. Thus, how beautiful the scenery is. The scenery is. How beautiful the scenery is. This house is very nice. How nice the house is. It is very funny. How funny it is. It looks very beautiful in the evening. It looks very beautiful. How beautiful it looks. How beautiful it looks. Then we have to write extension of the sentence in the evening. Rule number 2. If there is no article after verb, we have to write how. Then adjective, noun plus subject plus verb plus extension, and then finally we have to write note of exclamation, and very or great must be escaped. It is a matter of joy that I have got the first prize. This is a assertive sentence, and we have to change it to exclamatory sentence. It is a matter of joy that. Instead of it is a matter of joy that, we have to write hurrah. Then we have to write the assertive sentence. Hurrah, I have got the first prize. I have got the first prize. It is a matter of joy that we have won the game. Instead of it is a matter of joy that it is a matter of joy that we have to write hurrah, hurrah. Then we have to write we have won the game. Next assertive sentence. We have to own the game. Number 3. It is a matter of sorrow that he has died. Here, notice here, it is a matter of sorrow. If there is sorrow, instead of it is a matter of sorrow, we have to write alas, 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 he has died. He has died. Clear? Structure rule number 3. If it is a matter of joy that, instead of it is a matter of joy that, we have to write hurrah. Then assertive sentence. It is a matter of sorrow that, instead of it is a matter of sorrow that, we have to write alas. Then you must write assertive sentence. Clear? Write this rule to your exercise book. In your exercise book, I wish I were a king. Instead of I wish, after I wish, if there is where, if we notice where, we have to write if. Instead of I wish, we have to write if. Then I were a king. If I were a king. If I were a king. Or would that. Instead of it, we have to write would that. Would that I were a king. I wish I were a child again. I wish I were a child again. Instead of I wish, we have to write if I were a child again. If I were a child again. She wished she were a millionaire. She wish. Instead of she wish, we must write if. Then she were a millionaire. She were a millionaire. Normally, after I, we should write was. I was a king. But here we used where. But why? Do you know? Because it's an unreal past. That's why we must write where after I. Clear? Rule number 4. Subject wish. Instead of subject wish, we have to write if or would that plus assertive sentence. Please write this rule on your exercise khata. I wish I had been the president of India. Notice here, where is absent, right? Here we notice that I had. That's why instead of I wish, we have to write had. We have to write Had. Instead of I wish, we have to write had. Had I been, had I been the president of India, had I been the president of India, had I been the president of India. Then I wish I wish I had been a child again. I had. Instead of I wish, we have to write, instead of I wish, we have to write had. We have to write had. Instead of I wish, we have to write had. Had I been a child again. Rules number 5. If subject subject wish, instead of I wish, subject plus wish, we have to write had. We have to write had. Had. Then assertive sentence must be written. Had I been a child again. Had I been a child again. Clear? Next. Now I will give you a home task. Your home task, today's home task is change the sentence, board question, all board 2018. I mean only transformation of sentence, all transformation of sentence, all board 2018. Write down on your exercise book your homework. So my dear students, thank you everybody for staying with me. Hope you will study regularly. You must have study regularly because this is a very important time for you. So thank you everybody and see you again. Have a good day.